With the available 9-inch color touchscreen, drivers can take advantage of a customizable layout and easy control of audio functions, vehicle settings, and the available navigation system. Before using the system, set the vehicle power to accessory or on. From any app, you can simply press the Home button to bring up the home screen. To go back to previously viewed screens, press the Back button. To the left of the display is the audio system's power and volume knob. Push the knob to turn the system on and off. And turn the knob to increase or decrease volume. Pressing the Seek, Skip buttons lets you change the radio station or song. You'll also find several audio remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, letting you adjust the volume, change the audio source, and use the Seek and Skip functions. Simply press the Seek, Skip button to cycle between preset radio stations, or press and hold to cycle through radio stations with strong signals. Press the Home button and swipe through the home screens to browse the apps. Tap and hold a home screen app to open customizing mode. You can drag and drop apps to reposition them on the home screen or move them to another screen. To remove an app from the home screen, simply drag it to hide at the top of the screen. Press Home or Back to return to the home screen. Shortcut keys are found to the left of the touchscreen. Use them to access the most used controls. To customize shortcuts, tap and hold the home screen app to open customizing mode. Select Edit Shortcuts, then drag and drop the icon. Select Home or Back to return to the home screen. Note that some shortcuts cannot be edited, such as the Google Assistant shortcut. At the top of the touchscreen, you'll find the status bar. Press it to view system status. System status lets you view recent vehicle system messages. Select an item to see the details. When finished, select Home or Back. Choose the Clock Settings tab to adjust the clock, including the time format. For your safety, you'll find that some screen functions are grayed out and inoperable while driving. You can activate the vehicle's voice recognition system while driving by pressing the Talk button on the steering wheel, then speaking your command. Note that if you press and hold the Talk button, it will activate your compatible smartphone's voice service instead, if connected. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.